Hey everyone, today we're diving into the thrilling world of XRP, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves lately. Riding the crypto wave. As you know, the crypto market is incredibly dynamic. These constant price fluctuations create exciting opportunities for savvy investors. One such strategy is arbitrage, profiting from price differences. In this video, we'll break down how to potentially profit from XRP arbitrage. We'll walk you through the process of buying XRP on popular platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Bybit, and then selling it on CoinsPS to capitalize on price discrepancies. Transparency is key. While predicting exact price movements is challenging in the volatile crypto market, we'll provide a clear understanding of the arbitrage process. Remember, consistent market monitoring is essential for successful execution. Let's explore this opportunity together. Join us. CoinsPS provides an XRP rate that is about 10 to 13% higher than the rates offered by Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. Here's some ways to make money by buying XRP on popular platforms like Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase, and then selling it on a different platform, CoinsPS. People have been reporting profits of 10 to 13% per sale on CoinsPS. Let's break this down a bit further. Binance, Bybit, and Coinbase are all well-known places to buy and sell cryptocurrency. CoinsPS, on the other hand, seems to be a specific platform designed for selling XRP. Since its launch in 2018, CoinsPS has been active on Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram, demonstrating its reliability and reputation as a top player in the crypto exchange industry. For more information, feel free to check out the project's website, or all relevant links can be found in the video description. Imagine we begin with a fictional initial investment of $8,000 and then analyze the potential profits from that trade. In this illustration, we'll pretend to buy XRP on a widely used exchange such as Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. The following action is to transfer the acquired XRP to CoinsPS. Go to the wallet, select the deposit page, copy the XRP address, and transfer funds to CoinsPS via Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. Once we receive XRP on CoinsPS, we proceed to the trading page and sell the coins at a price that's 10 to 13% higher than our initial purchase. With an initial investment of $8,000, you can earn a profit of $800 or more. To withdraw the funds to a crypto wallet, navigate to the Withdraw tab and enter the wallet address from platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Bybit. For quicker transactions and lower fees, I recommend using the TRC20 network. Click Withdraw to complete the transaction successfully. Our funds have been returned to Binance, yielding a profit of 10 to 13% from the initial $8,000. This illustrates that with a larger initial investment, higher profits can be realized in approximately 15 minutes. Here's a suggestion to consider. You can increase the starting amount for each trade and repeat the process to potentially achieve larger profits. In this example, we generated over $800 in profit from a few transactions between two exchanges. Consider trying this approach to see if it aligns with your trading goals. To stay updated on future uploads, you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, and enable notifications.